I'm going to add 6/10 plus 1800ths. However, right now I cannot add these two fractions because they do not have a common denominator. In order to add fractions, we need to make sure this denominator is the same as that. So I will need to find an equivalent fraction of 6/10 that has a denominator of 100. To do this, I realize that 10 times 10 equals 100. So I will multiply both my numerator and my denominator by 10 to create that equivalent fraction. 6 times 10 is 60. So 6/10 is equal to 60 hundredths. And here's a model to show that 6/10 is equivalent to 60 hundredths. Now to add these, I'm going to add just the numerators. I do not need to add the denominators. So here's a model showing the parts that will be added. So I'll add this 60 hundredths to this 18 hundredths. And when I do that, I end up with 78 hundredths because 60 plus 18 gives me 78. And if I have these 60 squares shaded in and I add these 18 squares to it, it will look just like this, which is 78 out of those 100 squares shaded in.